Evision plays a significant role in developing skills in IT. I am Mohammad Waquas Ansari from Bihar. The CCNA course was good and trainers are highly experienced. It play an important role ones who want to achieve their goals in IT sector and IT industries. Evision is the best online platform for training platform and I enjoyed my learning over Evision. The trainers are very good and they give us a quick learning and to get to achieve our best goals for our future vision. I got placed in HCL with a salary offered 3,12,000 per annum. Thank you Evision for the guidance and thank you for all the supports of Evision trainers. The experience was very good. I have experienced the CCNA course was very good. Networking, I have learned a networking related course. I have learned Windows course and I have learned each and every networking related course which I have achieved this job. I got placed in HCL because of Evision Technosa Private Limited. The placement was very good, and I thanks Evision for giving me the proper guidance to get place me on this big organization. Thank you, Evision.